In the previous video about TTK themes, we saw an example from the TTK themes repo that used TTKWidgets, which is a collection of widgets created by different authors. They are categorized in different categories. In the documentation, you can see that there is the TTKWidgets category, autocomplete, color, font, frame, and validated entries. From the new widgets, there is this new color chooser. I copied the example code and I added to it the old ask color chooser from the TTK color chooser module. I added a button. In the original code, there was these two buttons to pick a color with alpha channel and without alpha channel. This is the new feature for the new tool. And I added this button just to see the previous color chooser. So I just added a button and the command outpick. And I just repeated the same statement, but I changed. Here I asked for the old ask color from TTK color chooser module. So when you run the code, so the first button, when you click on it, this is the new color chooser. You can see how it looks like. So when you select a color, you can select from this one. You can use this bar. And you can also select from here. So we have this HSV values or the RGB values and the hex value. This is without an alpha channel. There's an option to select also transparency, the alpha channel. This is the new tool in TTKWidget, but the previous one, this is the previous one. So the old one, the one installed by default in TTK, you can see the difference between this one and the other one. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.